In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Testimonials slider in Wix. To begin, open your website in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all of your changes and add the Testimonials slider to the page. Once your site is open, go to the left side of the editor and click the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. This section gives you access to different tools, design features, and content blocks that you can place directly onto your site. After that, look for the Apps section. Click into it and then use the search bar to search for testimonials. Wix offers a variety of apps and widgets, so searching helps you quickly find the right type of tool for displaying customer feedback in a slider format. When you see a testimonial slider app that fits your needs, select it and click Add to Site. Wix will then place the app onto your page so you can begin setting it up. Once the slider has been added, click directly on the element on your page. This will open options such as Settings or Manage Testimonials, depending on the app you selected. Open that panel so you can start entering your content. Here you will add your testimonial quotes, the reviewer names, and any photos you want to include. This is the part where you build the actual content that visitors will see, so take a moment to make sure each testimonial is clear, readable, and professional. After your testimonials are in place, move to the Settings panel to customize how the slider looks and behaves. You can usually adjust the slide transition style, the speed of the slider, and the overall design. This is useful because it allows you to match the testimonial section to the rest of your website. Try to choose settings that feel smooth and easy to read, so visitors have enough time to view each quote without the movement feeling too fast or distracting. When everything looks the way you want, review the section on your page to make sure the layout is clean and the text is easy to read. If needed, reposition the slider so it fits nicely with the rest of your content. Once you are satisfied with the final result, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. That covers everything you need to know.